Hello friends, in our previous recording we were discussing the different linear methods of plotting a simple curve, and today in a continuation of linear methods we will discuss the problems, how in a practical condition how you are going to solve a problem with the help of the given things. Yes, firstly I am going to revise you a formula by following the method by ordinate from long chord and by offset from chord produced. Means today we will discuss with these two formulas, that is by ordinate from long chord and offset from chord produced. OX is equal to root of r square minus x square minus r minus O naught. These are the ordinates O1, O2, O3, so on up to On. On is Cn upon 2r, bracket Cn minus 1 plus Cn. Yes, by knowing a radius, by knowing the ordinate distance, we can calculate these ordinates. Okay, let us take one example here. In this example, you are going to calculate the ordinates at a given interval of 10 meters. 10 meters interval, and given long chord is 80 meter, and worst sign, or it is called as mid ordinate, that is 4 meter. Thus these are the three values are given in question. You need to plot a simple curve. I will repeat. Ordinate at a 10 meter interval, it means this is the 10 meter interval from center, this is mid ordinate, and here we have 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Total chord length is 80 meter from here to here. Length of T1 point to T2. Point of curvature to point of tangency, the total chord is 80 meter. So half of that it will be 40 meter. In that 40 meter I have taken 10 meter intervals. That is all given in question. Now this mid ordinate he has given 4 meter mid ordinate, or it is called worst sign. 4 meter it is given. With respect to this 4 meter and with respect to interval, I am going to find out these ordinates. See here, these are the ordinates, and based on these ordinate I am going to join this curve. Okay. Yes, let us start with that by taking this formula. By taking O naught r minus root of r square minus L by 2 whole square. This here r minus O naught. O naught is already given 4 meter. So r minus O naught root of r square minus L is the 80 by 2 square. Now r minus, taking out the r value, r minus 4 its square, root this side, and you will get r minus 4 square which is equal to r square minus 40 square. Yes, we just take out r value here and get the r value 202 meter. You will get r value 202 meter. And r minus O naught, what is r minus O naught? 202 minus 4 is equal to 198 meter. Okay, it means r value is 202 meter and r minus O naught is 198 meter. As the same value can be substituted here. Now you take this formula OX. Yes, OX is equal to root of r square minus x square minus r minus O naught. Okay, now OX is equal to root of r square minus x square minus this formula. Here by taking the first ordinate, that is 10 meter, with a known distance of 10 meter here, 10 meter interval, put x value as 10, here also 10, and r value already we have calculated by the previous formula, and here O10 is equal to r value x value minus r minus O naught. R minus O naught is 198 meter. Yes, this is, you will get 3.75 meter. This is first ordinate. This is height of ordinate is 3.75 meter. Similarly, now next next 10 meter interval means it will be O20. 20 meter in place of x you put 20 and get the value of this, that is 3.01. Similarly O30 1.76, similarly O40 it will be 0. The same thing will be shown here. O40 it will come and meet at this point, hence it is 0. So like that, with the help of these coordinates I can plot and I can join it here. Okay, I hope this is clear. Yes, we can take one more example here. We can take one more example. In this second example, deviation angle is given, radius is given, change of apex point is given, ordinate from long chord at 10 meter interval is given, offset from chord produced. You need to calculate. Which method you need to follow? You need to follow here offset from chord produced, second method. Yes, this is by following first method, that is by ordinate from long chord, where the long chord length is given. Based on this long chord, the ordinates are drawn here. By drawing the ordinates, you will get simple curve. This is the first method, this is second method. You just take 2 minutes and have a look, and we'll continue with the second method here. Okay. Yes, here the given values are deviation angle, radius, change of apex point, ordinate from long chord, offset from chord produced. Firstly, you just see this simple curve. The simple curve will start from back tangent, point of curvature, length of curve, point of tangency, forward tangent. Okay, if these two tangents, forward tangent is extended, back tangent is extended, it will meet at vertex point. It will meet at vertex point. This vertex point is point of intersection. Okay, here this is the radius. This is the radius. In our question, he has given deviation angle. Deviation angle means the point of intersection angle, that is 45 degree. We can rate it as delta, 45 degree, and radius is 200 meter. Change of apex point. This is apex point. This change he has given. This change he has given 1839.2 meter. Okay. This change is given means here to here I should reach and here to here I should reach. Then only I can calculate the length of curve, length of long chord, everything. Okay, for example, if I want to draw a curve here, this is simple curve. Change is given, here to here I have to reach, and here to I move, then I will get the length. Okay, let us discuss it. First step, start with the length of tangent. This is tangent. This is tangent. The length of tangent can be calculated by r tan delta by 2. Okay, considering this is a half, this is delta by 2, and applying the tan here, we will get r tan delta by 2. So from this formula, we know r, that is 200 meter, radius given, and delta is 45 degree, it is given. Substitute the value, you will get 82.84 meter as length of tangent. Okay, this is length of tangent, 82.84 meter. Next, if I calculate this, then I can come and reach at T1 point easily. What is the chainage of T1 now? The chainage of T1 is point of intersection chainage minus the chainage of length of tangent. See here, point of intersection chainage is given 1839.2 minus length of tangent, which is 1756.36 meter is chainage of T1 point. Next, going with the length of curve now, here to here. This is length of curve. Length of curve is given by r into delta. If delta is in radian, convert into degree pi by 180. So r delta pi by 180. R is given 200 meter and delta is known, and substitute the value, you will get 157.08 meter. That is length of curve. So if I add 157.08 and chainage of T1, and I will come and reach here, that is T2. Chainage of T2 is 1756.36 plus length of curve, you will get this chainage of T2. Yes, chainage of T2. This is a first part. Just have a look. We'll continue with the next part.